how to cook a medium rare steak on a grill. What you'll need is a steak, 1 to 1.5 inches thick, ribeye, strip, filet, etc., etc., etc. Just get the steak. You need salt and pepper in addition to the seasoning of your choice. Some people use a high heat oil, but this is optional. They use this for the grates to prevent sticking, but I don't think you need it. And a meat thermometer for you rookies out there. Now let's go ahead and get started with this. Now what you're going to do is bring the steak to room temperature. You'll take the steak out of the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes before grilling. Pat dry for a better sear on the steak. You'll want to preheat the grill. Get the grill very hot, about 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll season the steak. If you didn't have time to season it beforehand and let it sit for overnight in the refrigerator, you can go ahead and season it now, I guess. Season it generously on both sides and salt and pepper it if you'd like, and add your favorite rub on to the steak. Now, you'll want to sear over direct heat. Place the steak on the hot part of the grill, and you'll grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side with the lid open for nice grill marks and crust. Now, to finish it, you want to finish it over indirect heat. Move steak to a cooler part of the grill where there is no direct heat. You'll close the lid and cook it for another 2 to 4 minutes, flipping it once until the internal temperature reaches 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. You'll want to rest the steak. Transfer the steak to a plate, tint with foil, and let rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing.